Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have just finished our raffle. A round of applause please for everyone, for all of us. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. We still have the band, right? Okay? The night is too young for all of us. And thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much for having us. And thank you for attending. Once again, to give the closing remarks, we have Ma'am Tina Season.
I hope that you have enjoyed the night. It has been a long night, and tomorrow, at least it's Saturday, you can take a rest. Not like if we had it Monday. And looking forward to a fruitful 2015. To all of you guys, I salute you all.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Tina, and to everyone, always remember that in every beginning there is an end, but in every end lies a new beginning. Okay, so we will end our 2014 with a big bang, but this end marks the beginning of a new year, a new challenge that we need to face as Unibankers. And together, as one team, definitely, BFB, Alabang, Las Piñas, Parañaque area will surpass whatever it achieved for 2014, right? Yes, because this is your show, this is your time, it's perfect. And this has been your host. This is Nino Reñetes with Sir Romel Gonzalez and Ma'am Tina Season. And we are now